Hello students, welcome to Career 360. With the CUT scores already in your hand and the counseling process already started, you actually have to understand what kind of score will get you in which college. Now, obviously, you all know that it's out of 1000 marks for most of the programs, but life science and allied science, it's out of 750. Right? What we're going to give you, we've already created a series for you which talks of a rank band and the score band and what is the likely college you'll get yourself into. Now, what we'll talk of is a rank band of 450 and below. What are the colleges and courses that you'll get based on this? Now, remember, when you say 450 and below, the better college, the good college would obviously be out of the system because they would have been taken up by now, because you actually have students getting about 935, 940, 950, 970, 980 also. But what we're talking now is the score band of 450 and below, and what are your chances that you can get into it. And this is based on 2025 data, mind you. This is based on 2025 data. This year, about 8-9% more number of students actually appeared for the examination, so the competition also is that much more tougher. But what we'll talk of is the 450 and below, what is the last year, and what happened to those students who got this kind of a score and below that. While we're doing that, a lot of students also reached out to us saying they want to talk to a counselor. So we opened a helpline for DU only. The number is 8130-376-334. 8130-376-334. Send a message DU and one of our counselors will call you and try to understand your grievance and try to solve that also. And we also are creating a lot of information and content to help the CUET aspirants get into the best college in DU. So do subscribe to Career 360 if you've not already done that. We're going to keep creating a lot of content to ensure that you take a decision based on objective information and data. And the CUT information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally by the World University Rankings. Now coming back to the 450 and below, let's talk of it. Now this is on a order of the alphabetical order, mind you. So we'll start with Aditi Mahavidyalaya and what kind of programs you can get into Aditi based on a score of 450 and below. And we're going up to 400 only, mind you, and we'll keep doing this as we move along. The Aditi Mahavidyalaya, BA Hindi and Office Management and Secretariat, it was 440.85 for unreserved. By the way, the entire pecking order is based on unreserved. The category scores is already here. You can actually take a screenshot of that and use it for your own purposes. The reason why I'm not reading out everything is because there are too many numbers. I don't want to get confused beyond a point. So Aditi Mahavidyalaya, BA Hindi and Office Management at 440.85, BA Mathematics and Psychology at 431.47, BA Music and Sociology at 437.19, and BA NHC and Sociology at 438.19. Now you also have a OBC, SC and ST category ranks scores. You can actually check that out. This is based on 2025 data, remember that. Then Aryabhatta College, New Delhi, BA Business Economic Honours at 424.78, BA Hindi Honours at 439.64 and BMS at 437.03. You also have the OBC, SC and ST. Typically, they move in sync with each other unless there are some exceptions. That is always a possibility because CUET is a very, very complicated counseling process. You actually have subject combinations. You don't have specific branches. You actually can pick up subjects and that becomes a combination itself. And that creates its own problem. Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, BSc Honours Electronics at 405.75 and BA Hindi Honours at 444.09. Bhagini Nivedita College, New Delhi, BA History and Apparel Design and Construction at 444.73, BA History and Human Development and Family Empowerment at 449.40, BA Music and Political Science at 442.75, BA Political Science and Apparel Design and Construction at 440.68. Bharati College, New Delhi, BSc Mathematics Honours at 426.65, Bhimrao Ambedkar College, Delhi, BA Hindi Patrakarita Honours at 425.68. Moving further, Daulat Ram College, Delhi, BSc Chemistry Honours at 429.74, BA Hindi Honours at 412.16. Deshbandhu College, New Delhi, BA History and Sanskrit at 412.49, BA Philosophy and Sanskrit at 432.74, BA Political Science and Sanskrit at 422.56, BA Punjabi and History at 437.39. Dayal Singh College, New Delhi, BA Punjabi and History at 421.11, Hansraj College, BSc Electronic Honours at 401.56, BSc Physical Science and Chemistry 430.01, Physical Science and Computer Science is 425.71 and Physics Honours is 439.05. So now look at it at a OBC level it's 397.49, SC is 377.07 and 220.24 at for ST, right? Hindu College, BSc Physical Science with Chemistry is 448.47, BSc Physical Science with Electronics is 441.92. Janaki Devi Memorial College, New Delhi, BSc Mathematics Honours at 414.90 and 406.74 for Sanskrit and Political Science. And you also have the category scores. Please take a screenshot of that if you want to. Kirorimal now opens up BSc Chemistry Honours at 410.14, BSc Physical Science with Computer Science is 400.92. This is a good program. OBC is 387.87, 287.33 for SC, and ST is 171.42. BSc Physics Honours at 438.05, BA Urdu Honours at 447.56. Lady Irwin, BSc Home Science Honours at 402.52. Lakshmi Bai College, BSc Mathematics Honours at 414.42, BA Business Economics Honours at 409.01. Maharaj Agrasen College, BA Business Economics Honours at 415.02. Maitreyi College, BA Punjabi and Political Science at 446.68, 341.31 for OBC, SC is 149.25. Miranda, BSc Chemistry Honours at 439.60, Bengali Honours at 432.87. Motilal Nehru College, New Delhi, BA Sanskrit and Political Science at 446.26, BA Sanskrit and History at 434.97, PGDAB Evening College, New Delhi at BSc Mathematics at 441.65. Ramlal Anand College, New Delhi, BSc Geology Honours at 438.80, OBC is 443, which is more if you notice this. So this is slightly more than this, I'm surprised about that. 289.40 for SC and 219.29 for ST. BMS is 425.75 and OBC is 346.16. Ramanujam College, BMS 434.37. Ramjas College, BSc Chemistry Honours at 426.90. Physics Honours at 404.01. Shahid Rajguru College of Applied Science for Women, BSc Mathematics Honours at 430.53. 253 for OBC, SC is 270.74. BBA Financial Investment Analysis at 443.27. 325.98 for OBC, 305.23 for SC, and ST is 112.23. BMS 428.06 for unreserved, 334.24 for OBC, SC is 282.92, ST is 123.30. Shivaji College, Delhi, BSc Botany Honours 446.05, BSc Life Sciences 445.58, and BA Business Economics at 406.91. Shyamlal College, Delhi, BSc Mathematics Honours at 442.13. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College for Women, New Delhi, BSc Mathematical Honours at 418.55. Sri Aurobindo College, BA English and Sanskrit at 419.29 and 404.59 for BA History and Sanskrit. The next one is Sri Guru Nanak Khalsa College, 448.63 for BSc Maths Honours. Very, very good program. Take it if you can. BA Punjabi Honours at 414.99. Sri Venkateswara College, BSc Chemistry Honours at 436.71. Physics Honours at 407.94. Stephens, BSc Physical Science with Computer Science is 442.55. SC is 403.01 and ST is 244.18. Swami Shraddhanand College, BSc Applied Life Science at 428.67. Botany Honours at 434.81. Life Science at 429.57. Remember, this is all for 750 out of 750. Whereas these are all about 100. No, Physics, Chemistry and all is both. Right? BF Sanskrit and Economics is 424.49 and Mathematical Honours is 424.35. Zakir Hussain, BSc Botany Honours at 435.59, OBC is 355.69, SC is 310.18 and ST is 193.07. Life Sciences is 438.44, 347.16 for OBC, SC is 283.09 and 175.36 for ST. BA Arabic and History at 436.44. Arabic and Political Science at 400.20, Bengali and Economics at 408.29, and Urdu and History at 441.56. So what we've done at this point in time is actually give you a glimpse of what happened last year when your score was 450 and below across the DU programs is what we discussed. As you've seen very clearly, the better programs and better colleges were already exhausted by the time you came up to this level, but you still have options at 400 also. In fact, between 400 and 300 also, there's still a lot of options that are opening up. It's just that those branches might not be relevant to you or you might not want to study there. My simple advice is, unless you like a branch, don't get into it. Unless you like a subject, don't get into it. Don't get into college just because you want to pursue an undergraduate program. You must pursue what is your interest, a subject that will get you an outcome that you're wanting to get, which might be a job or anything for that matter. If you want to learn, there are certain programs. If you want to get employment, there are certain programs. If you want to get into entrepreneurship, there are certain other programs. Go by what your career path would be or you would want the career path to be. Don't get into this undergrad program just because that's the only thing that is coming to you, because that's a wrong route to take when you're trying to decide your career path. That is very important for you. If you want to talk to any of our counselors, this is the number that we have opened up, 8130376334. Send a message DU. One of our counselors will call you. Do subscribe to Career 360 if you want to be completely informed on everything that's happening on CUT. Because creating a series, and the CUT Information and Guidance Series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked in the top 3% globally. If you want me to cover anything else, please write me in the message box. I'll cover that also. Thank you so much. Namaste.